Hello friends, I am your teacher Ankit in Aanav Creation Digital Marketing Season 2. So we are going to guide you today, get to know about your online customers. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit this video as a like and watch this video till complete so that you can get to know that your online customer where they are and how they can convert to the online purchase. So let's get started. Welcome back, my dear friends. As you all know, our topic is get to know your online customers for you. Everyone is different. So when it comes to creating online content, it's good to think about who your audience is and what they want to know. This is where audience segmentation can help. In this lesson, we will explain what audience segmentation is and how it can be used to improve your content marketing campaigns. Segmentation involves dividing your audience into groups of who they are and what they like, rather than spending time and money targeting a wide range of people in the online marketing. So segmentation helps you identify the groups most interested in your product or service. The result is a more cost-effective and persuasive way to connect with potential customers. By researching your audience and segmenting them into groups, you can create specific content that excites, entertains, and engages them. For example, imagine a new dog walking business building its content marketing strategy for you. The first step would be to segment potential audiences and identify who would benefit from its service. This could be busy dog owners who don't have enough time to walk their dog, or people who want to socialize their pet with other dogs. The next step would be to create content with that specific group in mind. For the busy dog owner segment, this could include helpful content about puppy, boredom busters, or a guide on how much daily exercise is to be created and how much exercise ideal for certain breeds. But why exactly is audience segmentation so important when creating and distributing content? Understanding the habits and preferences of an audience can help you target content directly to that specific group of people. For example, if you are looking to launch a new dog teeth cleaning gadget and your website analytics reveal that young men are statistically more interested in buying dog gadgets than other demographics, that would suggest you should go for target your content to this group. Another benefit is being able to pinpoint audience behavior and using this information to refine your marketing approach. Now that you know young men are interested in dog gadgets, you could research a step further and find out how often this segment walks their pets and what time of the day. What social channels does this group use? What they do with their free time? For example, people who enjoy the visual nature for a social media platform like Pinterest are likely to prefer different content to those who like to read and contribute to forums. All this information can provide value when it comes to creating tailored content for this group. To get insights into what people search for, try free online tools like Answer the Public and Keyword Planner. You also can utilize analytics features on social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter to get a glimpse of audience demographics and behaviors, etc. Experiment with a number of tools and compare results to get a more complete picture of who your audience is and how they behave online. Finally, don't forget to talk to people. It may be easy to forget in this online world, but connecting with people face to face and can yield some truly unique insights into who they are and what they need. To wrap up, here are some questions for you to contemplate. Why is audience segmentation is so important for you in content marketing? How can it help brands when creating and distributing content for you? And which tools you can explore to better understand your audience? I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like button of this video. Thank you very much. Have a good day.